Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ZTE Blade A53 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find the Microsoft Edge. Now you should see the install button just like this. Click on it. When it's ready, click on the open. First thing you'll see is introduction. You can read through it if you like, but I'm gonna skip it. Next is to customize the homepage with a wallpaper, most visited sites, and a news feed. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, accept or disagree with a data sharing preference, and click on confirm. Now the browser is ready, we can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.